right, my man El Jefe is about to take flight, his first free flight. This is a momentous occasion for him here at the beach. Everybody, let's wish him luck. Draw power from the beard. Dude, at this point, Jeff's nerves are just absolutely firing off right now. Total adrenaline.
Come on, go, buddy. Go, buddy, go, buddy, go, buddy.
No. Bail. Yeah, it's super tough when you're under like that extreme stress and your brain's just firing off. You have so many things you have to do and so many things you got to get right that it's difficult to remember the little things. In that case, he just didn't look at his right wingtip and correct that and move right. And so that's why it went down. Luckily, he just bailed. That could have been bad if he just decided to keep trying to go for it. There's a bee. No, don't sting my mouth. They always go for the lips. But yeah, I feel like I have enough experience in this realm where you're like really pushing against your brain, telling you, no, this is wrong. I've just done it for so long with the Army and with the fire career that I sort of sink into this natural phase and it feels okay. I can get through it. But if you're unexperienced in that, it can be so hard to just push through those feelings. Let's go, Jeff. There it is. Power. There you go. He's gonna get tired. Yeah, buddy!
Yeah, baby!
Oh, effort. Check out the frunk on this bad boy. Look at that. Just packing water in his frunk. All right, question for you guys. Should I get something like, if this is down the line, right? Okay. Should I get like a used Audi R8 with a manual? Or should I get a Tesla? What do you think? It's hard to say. It's a hard choice. Right now, I'm just going to focus on powered paramotoring because this is freaking badass. Everything you need to do that packs down into this bag and fits in a Tesla. And then you can do that. It's your own personal aircraft. And it fits in the back of a Tesla with room for drone equipment and water. How crazy. It's an incredible sport. You all right? All right, Doug the Thug's about to take off. Doug the Thug. Here comes Doug for his first landing. Looking good. Nice job.
Nicely done, Doug. Thank you, Tyson. You're welcome. That was awesome.
Congrats, dude. It's crazy, right?
Oh, crazy. No words. I have no vocabulary. Oh,
that's great. Looking good. All right, and with that, I'm up next. So I got my wing all laid out, checked all my lines, looking pretty good. And we're gonna go do a burnout. I think it's almost tougher the second time because you got like you know what you're getting into.
Yeah.
I know that I'm gonna go well outside of like the realm of any height that I've ever been at in a lawn chair. Whew! Scary, and it does. It feels like a lawn chair once you're up there. Like
it's comfortable. Totally like a flying lawn chair.
I'm on a swinging lawn chair in the sky.
Oh.
I mean, holy crap. Woo! Guys, this is amazing. Nice steep turn here. For a bit there, I was considering getting into like buying a boat, because you get a boat for around the same cost. I mean, this is like $15,000 sport once you get into it. Thought about getting a boat, getting out on the water, maybe doing scuba, and I was really contemplating. But like, you know, this is it's so hard to get into because it's so outside of like anything you know or you're used to. But so you just have to like commit and just go for it, man. Even up until today, I was like, do I really want to do this? Like, 'cause I don't know. I've never been in the sky like that, but to get up in the air like that, holy shit, it was amazing. Oh my gosh. Freedom. Absolute freedom.
I'll take that from you.
Thank you, boss.
Yep.
The second time up feels amazing. Crazy. Oh. Yeah, sorry guys, you're not gonna see me doing that anytime soon. Just maybe a little bit of that. That's our instructor. He's crazy. Yikes. Oh, I gotta do it in my Jerusalem cruisers next.
There you go.
Yeah, get the toes in the wind. Little meal is welcomed. Got a pretty high wind. I think I'm just gonna kick back and relax, eat for a little bit till the wind dies down. Take it slow. I got all weekend to fly. I'm not gonna force it up. But our last flight was super fun. Had a lot of control, worked through a lot of bugs. It's okay with me if I never learn to fly like that. Yeah. Like, I just want to cruise. Oh man, that's nuts.
Yeah, that's nuts. Now he's gonna parapark it. Look at that. Show off!
Oh, feather dust! It's in my eyes! Oh, the bird flew! Okay, hard to believe. It's almost 1 o'clock and I'm already going for my fourth fly, or my fourth takeoff. Now I'm on a 28-meter wing. It's still the same beginner wing, but it's smaller, more responsive, but less lift, so it takes me a little bit more to get up off the ground. Really, really awesome wind conditions, very neutral temperature. All the conditions are very, very safe, so I'm just gonna go up and just sort of mess around and feel it out and continue to get used to everything. I know you laid it out, but I'm just trying to never get in the habit of just grabbing it and trusting that someone checked it, you know. We do the same thing, the fire service and the Army, just always triple checking your own lines, triple checking everyone else's stuff. So like even here, this trim is a little low on one side. See, got one. That would have made my launch a little goofy. Responsive turns, feels a little bit tighter, doesn't feel like I'm going to get a workout just pulling at the reins. No idea if you guys can hear me or not. I can hardly hear myself. Alright, so I did come in a little bit squirrely on that last landing and kind of botched it. I fell over. I didn't really hit the ground too hard, but yeah, a little disappointed with myself on that, but you're kind of up there totally weightless, and then all of a sudden you have 70 pounds on your back, like boom, you're back on the ground. It's kind of hard. So that was a really good flight though. Experienced a lot of different things like oscillation and crabbing and a little bit of wind. So all things that were good to work through. I think I might have a bowl of cereal. Okay, that's 6 successful takeoffs, 2 sketchy landings, but otherwise an amazing day on the beach. Now to wrap everything up, I'm gonna go ride in Dylan's Model 3 Tesla with the performance package, and we'll see how that goes. So, hey, thank you guys so much for your support. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. I hope that you guys will get out of your comfort zone and go do something amazing, because you have it within you to be able to do it. You have the potential. It's right there. You just gotta step off that ledge. You just gotta go for it. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. It means a lot. We'll have tons of cool stuff, not just paramotoring, but overlanding and falconry and side-by-sides and dirt bikes and all sorts of cool motorsports and adventure. I know that you'll love it if you just hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications, and don't let it say personalized either. Don't let Google decide what you watch. Go ahead and get all those notifications. It's gonna be so much better. Make sure you check out the merch store to support the channel so we can continue to do stuff like this at maxpal.com. And okay, that's pretty much everything that I have to say as a YouTuber. So thanks again. Get some work done this week, but don't forget to live. Flagship. Track mode. So quiet. Whoa, she's fast. Woo! Look at him. Dude,